1969 Ford GT40, one of only 10 factory lightweights near the end of the production run of the GT40s. Bill Stevens.
What a matrix of history surrounds this car. We go back to 1964 when the Mark I debuted. Henry Ford II wanted to beat Ferrari in long-distance endurance racing, including Le Mans. He launched this program. It was a dud in the beginning, and anybody will admit that they just did not have the technology. It wasn't until mid-65, 66, the Mark II cars came in with the big block engines. They went out and they torched everybody at Le Mans in 66. And in 67, the Ford GT won again. But then the FIA changed the rules. You couldn't run the big block engine. You had to go back to the 289. They brought the Mark Is back again. John Wyer of England fitted the cars with all new engines, some like this one with the Gurney Westlake cylinder heads that made 450 horsepower. And in 1968 and 1969, cars just like this, they won Le Mans after being, turkeys back in 1964. And in fact, Jackie Oliver, who won the race in 1968, that car won again in 69, the same tub. One of the very few times the same car won that race 2 years in a row. So like I said, the historical significance of a car like this is you can't even measure it.
John, $6.7 million. Look at that, 3 bidders on the phone on this car.
Yeah, just incredible. What a part of history. Thanks for that great explanation, Bill. 289 cubic inches out, obviously a drop in power from the 427s, but they still kept the car competitive as the rules changed. And it's been restored back to exactly as built right out of the factory. Plain vanilla.
I got 6'9", asking $7 million.
$6 million, $9 bid. You want to get 7? You want to get 7? You want to get 7 million? I have $6 million, $9 bid. You want to get 7? You want to get $7 million? I have $6 million, $7 million. I have $6,900,000 is the bid. $7 million. Anybody else?
$6.9 is the bid.
Is bid.
Oh, the reserve is the.
$7,100,000. $7 million bid.
Oh, I thought Frank indicated the reserve was off. $7 million bid. Okay, my heart stopped for a minute.
Yeah, I think everybody's did.
$7,100,000 at $7,100,000. $7 million's the bid. $7,100,000. Anybody else? $7,100,000. $7 million.
Wow.
$7 million two.
John, how incredible is it, too, that this car still has its original body, chassis, engine, transaxle? Unprecedented.
Hard to comprehend.
$7,100,000 is the bid. $7,200,000. Anybody else? $7,200,000. $7,100,000 is the bid. $7,200,000.
Two to get back in.
Isn't it pretty?
We got 7,150 now.
$7,150,000 is the bid. $7,200,000. $7,200,000. $7,200,000. Anybody get $7,200,000? I have $7,150,000 bid. Anybody get $7,200,000? At $7,200,000. $7,200,000. $7,150,000 bid. This would be a good time for any one of you to go ahead and bid.
Yes, it would.
I mean, you're carrying around bidder number one. $7,200,000. $7,150,000. $7,200,000. At $7,200,000. $7,200,000. $7,150,000.
They're working on trying to get.
Better get in. Deal's cooking. $7,150,000 is the bid. $7,200,000. Anybody else?
Let's do it. I don't really want to pay something 50. I've been trying. I gave so good on the Cobra the last one.
$7,150,000 is the bid. $7,200,000. Last call, and it is still for sale. Reserves off.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, indeed, folks.
Are you kidding me?
No. Jimmy Landis, Mecum's lead auctioneer, with a funny little fooling trick for us all.
Oh, took the bait.
Me too.
My goodness. $7,150,000. Look at the crowd that is awaiting this car to roll off the auction block onto the mat.
Coming down the lane is lot S91, a 2022 McLaren 765 LT Spider 17.